Here we go, second half. Crucial game. Last 20 minutes. Here we go. Number 1, River. Number 3, nasa kay Miko. Sizing up. Nasa kay Kayling. Number 7. Ayan. Ayan na. Oh, wala. Tingnan maagaw. Nasa kay Miko. Sizing up. Magallanes. Wala. Miko. Tinasa kay Miki. Wala. Ayan na. Yung kanan ng kala. Ayun. Water. Defense by Stingers. Ay! Hindi nakita. Pinakaling. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 rebound. Pinasa kay Miko. Here we go. Pull up. Up! Foul. On tayo. Pushing foul. First team foul. How many fouls is Pio? First foul. First personal foul. 2 shots, bro? 2 shots. Good. One more shot for Miko. No good. Score 36-27. Favor of Brothers. Nakang Stingers setting up the play. Magallanes. Pinasa kay number 3. Itira, 3 points! There we go. Buhangin na ang Stingers. 36-30. Ooh. Nice pass! Nice passing game! 38-30. Favor of Brothers. Ito na ang Stingers. Tira naman. 3 points again! 38-33. Ito na, number 6. Isolation game. Number 6. Sting by number 11. Kaya, hindi. Oh, what a nice pass! No good! Nakasama lang, rebound. Magallanes. Will be the ball. 2 points by Magallanes. 38-35. 3 points na lang ang lamang ng Brothers. Set! Time out! 45. Ito ang lamang ng Brothers. Nasa ka number 7. Ito na, number 7. Oh! What a steal! By Geronimo. Nasa ka by Magallanes. So masyadong nababa. Oh, what a... no good! Rebound by MJ. Ito na. Ito na. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're not gonna be here all night.
There we go.
No, not tonight. I ain't get home. Hey.
Magallanes, pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Payog. Payog. Oh, 2 points. Yeah, 37-38. Isa lang naman. Ito na, number 6. Oh. Foul by MJ. Second team foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ito na. Oh. Mickey, 2 points! Nice. Pull up jumper, Mickey. Here we go, hit on more. Ayan mo, 7 minutes again. Play. Pinasa. Okay. McQueen, layup. What a nice move. The veteran's move. Ooh. There you go. Hey, there you go. Good defense. Number 6, 2 points. Yeah, 39-42. Ito na, sinong matitirang matibay dito? Magallanes. Uy, nice. Tapik ang bola. Oh, foul by McQueen. Second team foul. And second personal. Second personal. Oh, third team foul. 14 minutes left. 39-42. Nico. Laying down the ball. Tira. Oh, wala. Kylie. Wala yung bola. Oh, wala. Geronimo. Steal again by Geronimo. Layup. 2 points. Oh, nice steal. Again by Geronimo. Tapik ni Geronimo. Wow. Ganda ng depensa. 15. Ito, MJ. Pinasa kay Magallanes. Natapik. Pinasa kay McQueen. Geronimo. Titira yan. No good. Fire rebound. Oh! Nawala pa sa kamay. Oh! Foul. Okay. 3 personal foul. McQueen. 14 foul. 14 foul. Come on, 13 minutes left. 42-41. Ito na, number 6. Oh! Is that 15 foul. 2 shots. 3 personal foul. Team penalty left. Good. 43-41. One more shot. Good. 41-44. Balik kay McQueen. Nasa kay MJ. MJ pull up letter. Hook. No good. Rebound. For number 6. Alright. 41-44. 12 minutes remaining. Mickey, titira ng 3. No good. Up. Push it down. Push it down. Number 7. First team foul. First personal foul. Here we go. Magallanes. Ito na ang Stingers. Alamaan ba? Pull up by Magallanes. Dahil. Ilista mo na yun. Ito na. Number 3. Shooting the ball. Yun na. Pinamagaw. Kylie to 3. No good. Rebound by MJ. Na. Geronimo. Magallanes. Kasinap. Magallanes. Tumas. Wala. Sayang. Ayun. Oh. Oh. Whose goal is it? Bola ng Stingers. Ayaw mo. Ina, Magallanes. Kasi na. Siya na pull up again. Wow! Yan na naman na Steelers na isa. 42